What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a great day today. For those of you who are new here, I'm Matthew, and today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the new 1-month-old iPhone 8. Yeah, so I don't do this very often, but I decided to kick-start off things again since I've taken quite a long break due to exams and all of that. I should maybe try and do an unboxing. So I just got the phone today. I haven't really opened it. The packaging is off it though because at the shop they wanted to open it and see that it works. But otherwise I really haven't gotten a look at it. So let's get into the unboxing of the new iPhone 8. Okay, so I don't know much about phones, but I do know a few things. So if I say something wrong or something that's completely not right, then just let me know in the comments. But yeah, so let's start off with by the appearance of the box and that. So the phone I had before this was the iPhone 6. It was a white one, and yeah, I had that for 2 years, and now I've upgraded to the iPhone 8, as I said, for like the 5th time. But yeah, the box is really nice. I didn't know they made the box in black. I thought all the boxes came in white, but that might be an old thing. But yeah, first impressions pretty good. Oh, damn. Okay. Oh, okay. I wasn't expecting. I thought the phone was on top, but anyway. Wow. Okay, so this is really nice. I mean, I had a black one. I mean, a white one. So the black looks quite different and is actually really nice. The camera's obviously different to mine, and I think it's a glass back and it's not the aluminium or whatever it was. Okay, let's peel this thing off. Wow, okay, that's satisfying. Wow, this is really, really nice. Let's just get a view for you guys. Okay, home button. Obviously, it's like the iPhone 7, where it doesn't actually go in. No earphone jack, so it comes with, I think, whatever. Obviously more speakers here. Yeah, very, very nice. This is a nice phone. Let's power it on. Okay, let's just put that to the side, and while that turns on, let's check and look what's inside the box. Okay, so obviously the normal charging thing, it feels a little bit different. It has a different texture to it. Oh, that's because it has paper on. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, it's the normal. Then we open here. Here's the earphones. It looks like earpods when you first get them, but it actually does have wire. It's just hiding in there. And then this is the adapter, so you can plug your normal earphones in here and you plug that into the charging port. So that's that. And then the standard cable. Oh, I actually just forgot. I need my Apple stickers, so let's just wait.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's get into this. I think it's the normal. Here's my Apple stickers. Then we go here. What's this? Yeah, just telling you more about it. All of that. Yeah, same thing. The normal thing, and then this is to put the SIM card in. That they also did at the shop, so yeah. Let's move all of that to the side. So far, this is nice. Okay, let's get back into the phone. So I think this is it. Let's just set it up. Whoa, it feels so nice with this, with the button. I'm not used to that, so yeah, let's just wait. I'll get back to you guys once everything's set up. So we are back. It didn't take that long to set up. And yeah, let's get right into it. The first thing I noticed when I powered it on was the button. It responds immediately, and I'm comparing it to the iPhone 6 because that's what I had last and that's what I know best. So yeah, right away, put my finger on, it opens really fast. And the thing is, this and the iPhone 8, the processor or whatever is the same, so this is just as fast as the iPhone 10 or iPhone X or whatever you want to call it. So that's another really nice part about it. General front display of how it comes there, and then it comes with all these apps, which I think is quite a new feature. Apple now puts all their apps, they put it with the phone. So yeah, very nice phone. I can't wait to start using it now. I like the looks probably more than the actual phone, because it just looks really nice with the glass back. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, please like and hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed. This is my first one, so I'm not so sure how great it was, but showed some support anyway. And yeah guys, we nearly at 200 subs. Like, it was just the other day, just before exams, where I'm like, I have to make a 100 sub special video, and I didn't get around to doing that. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be making a 200 sub video. So yeah guys, please hit the subscribe button. I think we need 20 more, and really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And as always, I actually don't have a ending off, but anyway, roll the outro.
Feels like